How to add music or transfer music from computer to iPhone, iPad or iPod. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add music from computer to your iPhone or iPad. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. One of the most easiest ways to do is with the official way with the iTunes application. So make sure to download the iTunes application. I will leave a direct link down in the description box. Download iTunes on your computer, whether you're on PC or Mac. And once you download the iTunes, just connect your iPad to the computer and you will see iTunes runs automatically. You can go to file and then select add files to library and so on. You can check the option called sync music in order to sync and then start the transferring process. But there's also another way that you can do it without your iTunes application, and for that you have to download another app which is called Is Us Movie Mover Free. So for which again I will leave a download link in the description box. You don't have to pay for it, it's completely free and it works very easily. Once you've downloaded the application on your PC, again connect your iPad to your PC with a USB cable. You have to confirm on your iPhone saying that you can trust this device when a pop-up comes up, and then open up this and navigate to the PC to phone section, as you can see on the left hand side, and you need to click select files on the bottom in order to start the transferring process. Now Windows File Explorer will now be open. Now you can go to the files you want to transfer. After choosing the desired files, just click on the open button, as you could see over here. And as you do that, you can preview the selected files on the right panel with their detailed file names and sizes. To add more items to transfer, you can actually click on add contents or directly drag files or folders from your PC to the appointed area. Then finally, you have to click on the transfer button to start transferring the content from your computer to iPad. Don't disconnect your iPad while transferring, because Movie Mover enables you to move lots of data at a time without any quantity and size limitation. This is simply how you can add music from your computer to iPhone, iPad or iPod with or without the iTunes application. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.